Hello, hello, audience. It is me once again, my opinion fast. Today I want to talk about something that is not to be joked about, okay? Today I want to talk about something you should not fool around with, okay? As you have read from the title already, I want to talk about the Ox code situation. Don't mess around with my music, please. I am asking you very, very nicely, do not mess around with my music. Do not touch my aux cord. Do not touch my volume button. I have my volume at a certain level for a reason. Do not touch it. Of course, I will never say this in person. It will only ruin the vibes. But you know what I am talking about, man. Do not touch my music, okay? Is it that hard to understand? Maybe I want to listen to that song at that volume. Maybe I want to. Huh? I'm trying to create an atmosphere where our brains can run free in the enigma that we call life, okay? That's all I want. That is all I want. And sorry about the road noise, guys. I am on the road. This thought has come into my head while I was driving, right? And I had to spew it. I had to spew it out, man. I'm going to upload every fucking day of November or October. Man, I'm already fucked up, man. I'm going to upload every day of the October because I have a lot on my mind as of recent. Yes, as of recent, I had a lot on my mind. I'm going to upload every single goddamn day. Lord have mercy. Do not touch my music. Do not touch my music, man. Oh, Jesus have mercy. Oh. You ever playing a song and you're just like, wow, my favorite part is coming on. Hit an ad. You get hit with a YouTube ad. And you can only watch it on YouTube too. Because that's the specific version you wanted. Jesus Christ. Bro, I do not think there is something more infuriating than when you mess with somebody's music, man. Let's be honest. Let's keep it a stack. Hey, I want to know what we do with those certain people that we pass the aux cord to, and right away they play Billie Eilish. I want to know what, as a collective, we are going to do with these people. What are we going to do? Do we tell them to turn that shit off? Or do we just let it play? We're birds of a feather, we shall stay together. Head ass. Dude, what are we going to do with these people that when you pass them the aux cord, they automatically play oh, I know. What are we going to do with these people that we pass the aux cord to and they automatically play Bad Bunny? What are we going to do with these people? Shit, if it's Bad Bunny, I might tell them to turn that shit off, man. Leave a comment down below which song / artist you would turn to the person next to you and tell them to turn that shit off to their face. I want to know. I am very curious. There's been a lot on my mind recently, brothers and sisters. Everything's been brewing in that bitch. I have to let it out. I'm going to upload every single goddamn day of October. Lord have mercy, amen. Leave a comment down below. See ya.
The airdrop is coming.
Airdrop has been delivered. Circle collapse imminent. Get to Trap deployed. Your teammate has been killed.
Buscando perra malparida.
Yo, just ready for up.
Puta. Vámonos, let's.
Let's go.
Further collapsing. Trap deployed.
Thanks.
Oh, fuck.
Device hacked.
Enemy is near.
Airdrop has been delivered. Turret deployed. Sealed turret deployed.
The airdrop is coming.
Airdrop incoming. Circle collapse imminent. Get to safety. Airdrop has been delivered.
Perra de escopeta tiene spam. Oh. Bueno, arriba estamos,
Skill chips ready for upgrade.
Vamos adelante, esta es la masacre.
Roger that.
Net call. Major instability detected. Safe zone evac orders are in effect.
The airdrop is coming.
Trap deployed.
Están esperando en el tercer nivel, los hijos de puta.
The airdrop is coming.
Supply drop incoming.
Igual,
Airdrop has been delivered.
enemy, yeah. Tiene granadas.
The airdrop. Enemy. Never mind.
Puta, ya. La está curando la perra. Puta, a la verga. Ja. ¡Ya!
Drop has been delivered.
Enemy is
¡Atrás, de
near.
Only
frente!
two teams left.
Buena verga.
Close to victory.
¿Lo viste? Espérate. Solo un bicho. Hackealo para ver dónde está. Solo para ver cómo es la pinta. Puta, no te pones en simétrico y le volás verga, güey, a todo, ¿no?
Thanks.
Puta, a todos te fuiste a matar, ya no tenían nada, mira. Espérate que cierre la zona, está muy grande la zona para ese pisado. Punto. Que no los va a matar, pa. La Chavila llamándome, pa. No, vos.
Well done.
De una vez.